If you want to check the battery temperature on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, what you can do is you can go to the Play Store and you can download an app that allows you to check the battery temperature. So over here we're gonna use the search option and then use the search field at the top, and you can usually type something like battery temperature or something similar to that. So let's see what can we get. And as you can see, we have many different apps that probably allow you to check that information. In my case, I'm gonna use this app over here. I'm just gonna install it. I'm gonna show you how to find the battery information about on this phone, in this app that is. And feel free to try any other app in case you don't like this one for some reason, or if it doesn't work for you, of course. You might see some ads in the meantime, so we will have to wait for it to skip. There we go. You don't have to grant notification permission. And in here we have the battery information in this place, and we can also see the temperature. At the top we can switch to the battery category, and you can find the temperature information in here as well. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.